Hey guys, it's Brandon here with Investment Joy, and I'm going to take you through the second house that I bought. It just became empty, and we're going to do a real quick house tour through this house. My guys have done a little bit of work and they wanted me to come take a look at it. If you aren't aware, my town worships pumpkins. It is not only our primary export, it is also our primary religion. So that a lot of you that know where I live here in Ohio, that's kind of noteworthy. So feature number one of this house is they left me mattresses. So on top of the mattresses, they've also left me chairs. We have taken one dump truck full out of the house already. They had a granite bar in here, so I've already gone and unlocked it, but I have not looked yet in the house. These were kind of my more favorite tenants. Okay, they've repainted this room, cool. These were my more favorite tenants, and what I mean by that is I really like them. But they started falling on hard times even prior coronavirus. And they left and ran up a phenomenal water bill. I think if I would look in my accounting software, we would see that they have run up about $2,500 worth of water that I am responsible to pay for. Because in this town, landlords are responsible for their tenants' water debts. So even though I don't generate the water, I have to pay for it. So these floors were installed approximately 3 years ago. That's when these tenants moved in. We put the floors in 3 years ago. It is not luxury vinyl tile. It is mid-range laminate flooring. We got this stuff from Menards. We were told that it would last forever. And if you look, it has not lasted forever. It looks awful. We're going to try and figure out how to do some restoration on it, if at all possible. If you guys have ideas or thoughts on that, let me know. We did it in 2 rooms, here and here. This room actually has a crawl space, almost like a hand-dug basement under it. And we had to install a trap door. The trap door is right here, as you can very obviously tell. The water or something of that nature must have leaked out, because if you see the seams here, they're very obvious. It was not this case. The floors are also starting to crack a little bit, but that's what it is. This house was purchased in 2013 for a princely sum of $22,450. And it's been like a lot of my houses, kind of work in progress. When we get a turnover, we make more upgrades, trying to maintain cash flow on the property. I own this one. I don't have a partner on it. There's been some damage. I think we're putting in a ceiling light here. This has been repainted. The floors are original, but I don't know that we're going to go through the effort of resanding them. Here's the bathroom. We also had the great privilege of having this house treated for bed bugs when we got it back. The tenant had complained a few times about having some sort of bug in the house. We had it treated chemically, and that did not work. At one point, there was a large built-in shelf. This bathroom's probably 6 feet wide here, and we had a large built-in shelf, and it's not here anymore because these pipes, these are vents, and they're ugly. Why would anybody want to see this crap? So we had a big, giant, nice thing here, and it's gone. Who knows what happened to it? So we had bed bugs here. This is the first house that I've had where we did not have it chemically treated. We had it treated with heat. More fun here. Look at that threshold. This is stupid, and it's already coming up. My guys told me that they had some washer leaks here. Here is more flooring that we did, and I'll show you guys what this looked like prior to the tenants moving in 3 years ago. So we're big on PEX. I love PEX. It's just plastic hosing, and it's so easy to use. Red represents hot, blue represents cold. Go figure. And it's almost indestructible. And this whole setup here, in my opinion, looked great. We had new flooring. We had the kitchen counter is original. We've repainted the cabinets. The cabinets are from the 50s. They're not like great cabinets. They're also not terrible cabinets. And if you if you take care of them, they will last forever. So we got lots of the Lord's creatures here. lots of fun friends that are sleeping. So my oh, there's a friend. Cool. So we've got some friends here. Hello, friend. Oh, you're hiding, aren't you? There's our friend. But we had it heat treated, and that got rid of all the bed bugs. But my guys have said there's a few roaches here. We've got really good stuff. So in order to get this ready, we're going to go through, tear out the countertop, put new countertop in it. Because it's like everything else I have. We're trying to maintain profitability, rent it to decent tenants, and profit, get decent tenants, and pay ourselves back without spending all the money in the world. Because I have some houses we've spent gobs of money on, and I've had unbelievably bad tenants, even with good background checks. So it's a thing where I have to kind of try and pick my battles and do my best job possible. And as bad as this is, it has been profitable. So that's nice. So there's a trap door. I don't think I'm gonna go under there. Knowing my luck, somebody's living under here right now. Now that I think of it, we may have had somebody live in here. I've had more than one place we've discovered people living in the basement. So we're going up to the second floors. The staircase was redone. Part of this upstairs is why I got the house so cheap. The landlord here did not think that this attic was salvageable. The stairs are tight. The stairs they suck. But we've gone here and we've put new flooring in up here too. They're going to be repainting the walls. I think they've redone the trim right now. So they've cut in the trim. Yeah, and they're going to put quarter round at the bottom too. So this is something that we refinished after we bought the house to turn it into serviceable space. So all in all, it's a 3-bed, 1-bath. I bought for $22,500. I put a total of, I think $13,000 in it. We did put a brand new roof in it. This flooring wasn't done on the initial rehab. It was done later on 3 years ago. And I'm sure there's finishing issues with it. Like there should be some sort of threshold or transition here. Otherwise, as you come up those steps, it's going to be crappy. But when we get this done, it'll be a nice house for $700 a month. Unlike a lot of my rentals, this one has central air, and it has a 2-car garage, which is cool. Now we've already taken 1 dump truck worth of trash out of here, which that is what it is. So I think I already have $400 wrapped up in that. But the killer on this one, more so than the damage that's been done, has been the $2,500 water bill. Oh, cool. Broken glass, guys. That's what I want to see. It'll be happy and healthy. And we've got car seats here. I don't think I have keys to this garage. We've got, I don't know, more trash here. We need probably another half dump truckload. But we do have a little 2-car garage with a little barn thingy on it. I mean, I don't know that it has much value, but hey, you can park 2 cars in here, or you can fill it full of your crap and screw your landlord when you move out. Like this. Yep, I just pack it full of crap, let your landlord deal with it. So the $500 deposit I had on this deal is going to really take care of it. I'm sure I would be depressed if we got in there anyway. But hey, it's a new door. So this is, I mean, it's kind of a crummy looking 2-bedroom or 2-car garage, but hey, not too bad. Here's the back end of the house. So let me know what you guys think about $7 a month house here in Ohio. It's actually a pretty good neighborhood. Anything that's within eyesight of the tower is good, because you can worship pumpkins from your own backyard or in your living room. So this is Brandon with Investment Joy. Be sure and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you like these real estate videos, because I can do them every day just about. So overall, this one's been profitable. So I'll talk to you later.